Welcome back to our channel. I'm Anjali from Angie and Joe's channel, and today I'm here to talk about an app which is one of my most used and favorite apps, which is Audible. So we will start with what is Audible. Audible is an app which helps you listening to audiobooks. So it has a vast library of fiction, non-fiction books which you can listen anytime you want. So we'll talk about the pricing. Pricing of the app is free. For you get 30 days free trial, and after that you can get it for 199 rupees per month, which I think is pretty affordable for all of us, since it's less than buying a book on Amazon. A book cost around 300-400 rupees, and Audible is more user friendly and you can get the book cheaper. It's just 199 rupees, and I'm gonna put a link in for your free trial, so you can click on that link and get your free trial for a month. Get to FAQs. I'm gonna answer is Audible included in my Prime membership? No, it isn't. You have to buy it explicitly. Second one is my library gone if I don't buy the subscription? No, your library will always be available to you, but if you have credits and you cancel your membership or you skip the payment, so they're gonna take back your credits, and you won't have access to them. So Amazon was really kind to me. I forgot to update my credit card once and the subscription got cancelled, so I wrote an email to them telling them that what happened, and they quickly returned my credits and I made the payment and all. So be very cautious that if you want to cancel your membership, please use all your credits and then cancel it. Additionally, what all do we get is Audible Suno. Audible Suno is a free app, so you don't have to buy it, and you can also use it in Audible, or you can download the app. So it has few stories like Yodha, Kissa Khabo Ka, Kali Awazein, Thriller Factory. So Kali Awazein is ghost stories narrated by Amitabh Bachchan ji, and Thriller Factory ka first story is narrated by Nawazuddin Siddiqui, and oh my god, it is amazing. It's gonna blow your mind. It is that good. I really enjoyed it. It was as if I am watching a movie. Then there is Tabu also, and multiple stories. I liked all of them. They are picked up from Upanyas that we used to read, and then they have narrated it, so it is beautiful. It's in Hindi. And then there's Yodha, which is also again very good. Then Kissa Khabo Ka has stars coming to the show and talking about their journey. So there's Diljit Dosanjh, Katrina Kaif, Rajkumar Rao, Pankaj Tripathi. So a bunch of great people, and you're gonna get to listen to their story for free. So you can install Audible Suno. And the additional features, what I like in the app. So the first feature is all my family has logged in my Audible, so we can listen to different books. It's not gonna sync anything, so I can download and listen to things on my phone. She can download, my sister can download and listen in her phone, so nothing syncs. So I like the fact that it doesn't sync. Then the sleep timer, so you can listen to a story while you're going to bed, and then you can set up a timer which can range from 10, 20, 15, and based on how you go to sleep, you know yourself better, and the story will pause. So you're not gonna miss out a lot on an audiobook just because you slept in between. You can always go back, or you can just pause it, because I have had this problem. I was listening to a story, then I went to sleep, and then I missed out on everything, and then I had to listen from the starting. So that issue we are not gonna face here. So that's a plus. I think it's very it makes sense that you buy Audible, because you're gonna use it daily. I mean, the book is cheaper. You suppose you want to buy Atomic Habits, it's gonna cost you 400 rupees on for a physical copy, and you can get it for 1 credit, which was worth 199. So yeah, it's a good deal. But if you don't know how to listen to audiobooks and you don't want are not sure that you're gonna use it or not, just try the free subscription. Also, we have made a video which you can try. We have made how to use Audible effect or listen to audiobooks effectively, rather. So you can try listening to that video and then click on the link in our description box and get your free subscription. Along with that, I know nothing can replace a physical book, but considering the fact that the amount of books we have these days and our reading list are just growing and growing, so it's a positive factor to us that if you're still in 2021 contemplating the fact that you should or should not buy an Audible subscription, my vote is for should. You should buy an Audible subscription because it's gonna help you in your reading journey. You can get a lot more done with an Audible subscription. You can listen to more books. If you have any more doubts about Audible or any audiobook app you want me to review, I am gonna plan a comparison between Audible and Blinkist in my future videos. So if you're interested in that video, do comment in this video and let me know. Share it with your friends. Please get increase your knowledge by an Audible subscription. So do yourself a favor, buy an Audible subscription. You're gonna thank yourself for it in the future because it's just gonna level you up in your life. You are not gonna do your basic chores and not get things done. Multitask, multitask, multitask. That's the way to live. So read more books, stay healthy, take care of yourself. Don't forget to click on the like button, click on the bell icon to subscribe to our channel, and share this video, share your comments with me. And I want to know what videos you want to watch, what kind of apps you want to know more about. So write them in the comment box and I'm gonna get back to you with all the details. If you have any other doubts, please write to us and follow us on Instagram for daily updates.